Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about deploying a Java app on Kubernetes using Kustomize. So here, Java applications are cornerstone of enterprise software development, and Kubernetes offers a robust platform to host these applications at scale. In this video, we'll explore how to deploy a Java app in Kubernetes using Kustomize. Kustomize allows you to make Kubernetes configurations efficiently by leveraging overlays, generators, and transformers to customize resources. So first, the prerequisites for this task are a Java application packaged as a jar or WAR file, Docker installed and building for building application image, a Kubernetes cluster which is local or cloud based, a kubectl and customize installed, and the basic understanding of Kubernetes and Java. So here you can see this is the directory structure. So here we have our Java application form.xml and a Docker file, and this is a customized directory. So now if you don't have a Java application, we can use this Java code for building the application. So I'll show you from the beginning. So now, so here I'm going to create a directory called Java Kubernetes app. So here, first I'm going to create the Java code here. So here now, so in this folder, I'm going to create the app.java file. So here I'm going to paste this code. This is a simple Java code. After that, I'll save it. Now I'm going to create the pom.xml file. So So here I'm going to use this pom.xml. A second. So now I'm going to use the Maven to package this into a jar file. So I'll use the mvn clean package command for this. So the build is success. Here you can see the jar has been done. So now we create a Docker file for this. So here I'll use this Docker file. Here you should change the names. Here you can see you should change the name of this jar file with the name of your jar file. So my jar file name is this Java Kubernetes app 1.0 snapshot.jar. Also here, let me check it once. There is the same now. So now our Docker file is done. Now I'm going to create a Docker image with this. So here the tag would be arish981 and this is the name of the image. So now here you can see the image is building now. Image is built. Now I'll push it to my Docker hub. For that I'll use the docker login command. Here I'll use this link to activate. Here I'll enter this code, click on confirm. Here you can see the login is successful. So now I can push this image to my Docker Hub. So now I'll use this command and I'll push my image to the Docker Hub. First, let's check whether the image is created or not. So here you can see image is created. Now I'll push this image to my Docker Hub. So here you can see the image is pushed to the Docker Hub. Let's verify once. Let me reload it. So here you can see the image is uploaded in the Docker Hub. So now here I'll create the base Kubernetes manifest. I'll create the folder in this itself. Now folder name I'll give it as customize. So now in this I'll create the base. So here I'm going to create the manifest files, which are deployment, service, and customization files. So now I'll create the deployment ones first. So for the deployment, I'll use this code. Here, change the image name with your image name and also the repository name. So now I'll save it and now I'll create the service.yml. So for the service.yml, I'll use this code where the type is the load balancer. Save. Now I'll create the customization file. So in this, I'll specify these both service and deployment resources. So now I'll deploy the application. So here you can see the deployment and service are created. Now let's check the pods. You can see the container is creating. So here you can see the container is created and the image is also running. So now let's check once. So for accessing the application, I'll use the port forward command. So here by using this command, I'm forwarding all the traffic to this port number, which is 8888. So after clicking enter, here you can see the traffic is forwarding to 8888 port. So now what I'll do means I'll take the public address of my instance with HTTRN, enter the port number as 8888. So here you can see we got the output hello from Java Kubernetes app. So that's how it works now. So now we access the application. So now let's delete our deployment. So press Ctrl C to exit. So now I'll delete the deployment. My deployment name is Java app. Here you can see the deployment is deleted. Now I'll delete the service. So here you can see the service is also deleted. Now if you check, there will be no pods running. So here you can see the pods got deleted. So this is how to deploy a Java application using Kustomize in Kubernetes. So in the conclusion, deploying a Java app on Kubernetes using Kustomize makes managing configurations easier and more flexible. It allows you to customize deployments for different environments without changing the base setup, saving time and effort. So by following this guide, you can streamline your deployment process and ensure consistency across environments. Start using Kustomize to make your Kubernetes deployment more efficient and organized. So this is about deploying a Java app on Kubernetes using Kustomize. So if you want this article, you can check it in the link in the description. So that's it for today. Thank you.